Hey guys, Jerry back with that Theatrically Jerry. If you haven't already, watch my review on VSHOW's puzzle. This is GT640. Right now I'm going to show you what the inside of this light fixture looks like running because there is a lot of components going on here. And I'm going to kind of show you guys the quality of the inside of this light. So this is just going to be a short video showing you how everything works for VSHOW's puzzle GT640. Alright, so I've taken the cover off the front of the puzzle GT640 by VSHOW to show you guys kind of how each individual lens here moves on its own for its zoom mechanism. Also, you can kind of see the LED chips on board, or cobs. I'm going to try to get a close-up of that for you guys as well so you can kind of see how bright the LED is. The actual LED chips are rather small. I was expecting them to be a lot larger for 40 watts, so I'm not entirely sure if they're actually 40 watts each, but we're going to go ahead and take a look at those as well. There's a lot going on in this light fixture. I'm also going to show you the fans. There's a lot of fans to cool off the LEDs in this light. So here's a close-up. I'm trying to show you all of the individual LED chips. I am going to zoom in even closer here in a second, but as you can see, they are all attached to a main board here that runs the entire length of the puzzle, and they are attached to metal heat sinks as well to cool off the LEDs. There are 5 built-in fans. They are not activated right now because it hasn't gotten up to temperature yet, but we're going to go ahead and take a look at the LEDs even closer, as well as the fans. So here's a closer look at the LED, or as close as I'm going to be able to get. As you can see, it's a little square chip inside here. Each one of these lenses has a LED behind it. So they're supposed to be 40 watt LEDs, RGBW and CMY. As you can hear, the fans have started to kick in. They're also spinning. They are variable speed fans. They only turn on when they need to, and there is 5 total across the array here. As you can see, the variable speed fan has kicked on. There are 5 total for the puzzle. They only turn on when they need to, and they will ramp up to full speed the longer the light fixture stays on for. It's all due to heat. So these are actually extending the life of your LEDs. So they're a very important piece to every light fixture. And VSHOW has included 5 total for this fixture alone. So that's a lot of fans. These are DC 12 volt, 2800 RPM max fans. So they are DAP fans. That's the manufacturer, made in China. These are the 5 fans that are included with VSHOW's puzzle light fixture. There appears to be some sort of square box that actually, right here, that actually concentrates all of the LED's lights to send through the front lens element. And what that is doing is it's magnifying and concentrating all of the LED's light to actually send it through the front. So this LED system can't travel with the zoom, so they needed to bring the light closer to the front lens element, and that was their way of doing that. So that's kind of a neat looking piece there. So there are 6 individual servo motors, one for each zoom on each lens. You can kind of see them right here. They are pretty quiet. You can see them working right now. You can see the threaded rod that they turn to make the zoom mechanism go in and out. Here's a better view of each individual element here. So we have our fan right here. This is a threaded rod and a motor for one of the lenses. Here's another threaded rod and motor. And as you can see, the motor turns the threaded rod, and that causes the zoom mechanism to go in and out. Anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching this video, of course. If you have any comments or questions about the puzzle, go ahead and leave it down below. I do respond to all comments and questions as quickly as I can. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I love seeing likes on my videos. If this interested you, or DJ lighting, stage lighting, equipment, atmospherics, stuff like that, reviews on stuff like that as well, if that does interest you, go ahead and follow my channel at Theatrically Jerry. I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you.